For instance, Jesus developed physically. Hindi naman siya pagkasilang, full-grown man na eh. Dumaan siya sa infancy, childhood, dumaan siya sa pagiging youth, and then pagiging young man, and then pagiging adult. He was physically able to do earthly and heavenly work because he was physically healthy. So mga kabataan at lahat ng kahit hindi na masyadong bata, pero patuloy pa rin tayong mabubuhay, develop physically. Isipin mo dapat, so you could minimize pain, maximize pleasure, and do the most good in life, kailangan mo ng healthy body. Hindi lahat tayo magkakatulad ng level of health. Hindi tayo magkakatulad ng health situation, pero pare-pareho tayo na pwede mag-develop kung saan tayo naroon ngayon. Magkakaiba ng strength, magkakaiba ng less strength ang ating mga katawan, pero pare-pareho natin dapat yan i-develop.